Hey, what's going on, guys? JPRK31 here. I am back. I'm gonna open a 2025 Upper Deck of Chee Platinum Blaster Box. This is for the hockey. 4 cards per pack, 6 packs per box, so should be a quick break. Let's go ahead and open it. There's the neon yellow Surge Blast Base. Is the apparel, the exclusive for the blaster box. So, alright, we will pull a one-on-one. It says look for a one-on-one version of the Marquee Rookies card. So, you know, I can pull like a one-on-one on a blaster box. Never pulled a one-on-one. So, maybe this is the day. One Demidod or Matcha Shaper. That'll be awesome, right? Here we go. Backwards card up. Easton Cohen. That's the Marquee Rookie, and it's just a base. Kraken and base. Toes. We got a backward card, so you can see it. Zane Parekh and Berkeley Catton. That's a nice yellow Surge card. Surge looks nice this year. Nice looking card. This one retails for $30, so at least Upper Deck hasn't. And Kopitar. We have a Tyler Mueller. I don't even know why this is upside down. Backwards. Dawson Mercer. Pipe check. Base. Pipe check. Yeah, Alex Ovechkin right there. Looks like we have a pink. Logan Stoughton again. And Team Stout, Senators. David Tomasek and the Marquee Rookie. Is this numbered? It's pink Pulsar, not numbered. And Alex Ovechkin base. Alright, so we do have 2 colored cards so far. We got one more packs. On the Marquee Rookie. Victor Hedman. This is Sean Couture. Charlie Edward Justos. Another neon yellow swords. Yellow Surge. And then Nikita Kucherov base. And last one. Oh, I see a Demidov already in there. So we didn't get the cat. Matt K. Oh no, Mitch Cobb. I thought it was. It's Mitch Cobb. What am I talking about? And Arseny Gritsyuk and Joel Eriksson. Alright, so we did get 3 neon. And of that, I don't know anything about Berkeley Catton for the Kraken. Looks like it's from the Kraken. But anyway, there you go, guys. Let me know what you think about Chee Platinum. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next break. Have a good day. Bye-bye.